I don't know what happened before, but we're back now. Let's adjust this light a little bit. It's got me all just shining. Man, oh boy. It's not even me. It's just the camera. All right. Well, that's fine. Um cool. Let's get everything up and running. You can see this is all me now. We got the real deal here. All my mistakes. Again, post launch, everything is cool. We're taking things slower, right? There's nothing crazy going on. We just are trying to get back on our feet with things. Let's get some music going. Let's go back to our good old stream jams. Let's see. Stream beats. Sorry. Stream beats. Yeah. There we go. All right. So what I'm thinking is for today, Monday we launch. Monday we did it. We finally did it after all this time. Monday we launched into the stratosphere with MovieOtter. It came out. We put the MVP out there, and immediately so many people have just shown love and appreciation for it. Thank you everyone who's done that and stopped by. Very, very exciting. Let's check something. Okay, all's good. Oh, gotta get things set up here. You guys are seeing a little bit behind the scenes. And by behind the scenes, I mostly mean just me fudging around trying to get stuff working last minute. All right. Okay, cool. Viewing the dashboard. Cool, we got that going. Oh boy. All right. Everything is fine. We did get some new followers since we actually got a lot of new followers since last stream. So Shepherd Oasis. Oh no, even more than that. Holy crap. Hold on. Let's go through. Let's give everyone the love that they deserve, because I appreciate everyone who's coming through for me. So we I think Jason Phillips is actually maybe the last one. Wildpolia. Wow, I'm gonna go you Wow. Thanks so much for the follow. Elios, thank you for the follow. Characters I just don't know how to pronounce that. I'm not even gonna try, but thank you for the follow. Squiggly, thank you for the follow. Eric Dev, I like that. It's a good name. Thank you for the follow. Tech Girl, Shepherd Oasis, Benji, Domo's Place? Probably Damo's Place. And the Loch Ness Funk. Thank you, all you guys, for the follows. I really do appreciate it. Would love to. Hopefully, some of you guys can check me on here today. You'll see me fumbling around, continue to fumble around with things. But so far, so good. Let's see. All right. So there's a couple things we need to do. After launching it on Monday, like I said, people have been using it. A lot of my friends, they've been hitting me up on like Twitter and text messages and Slack and Discord, letting me know that they think it's cool. They think it's really awesome. A lot of people have even, been sharing and retweeting about it and things like that. All of it, great support. There's a couple things I personally want to work on to get going. Let me take my phone, put it on the charger here. Let's see. Oh, I got a notification from Twitch. Okay, well, that's great. Let's see. But there's a couple things that we need to do some fast follow with and improvements on with MovieOtter. A lot of it is pretty simple stuff, right? Nothing too crazy. In fact, most of it is actually just kind of like nice to haves, like things that would have been great to get in before we launched the MVP. But the fact that it didn't make it in there is not, detrimental. We were still able to launch it. You're still able to use MovieOtter. We just want to do a couple things to improve a lot of the user experience. Kind of give users that little bit of feedback that they should have. And just let them know that, like, oh, maybe something's loading, or maybe this thing is actually fetching data, or hey, this thing did succeed, or hey, this thing did fail. It's a lot of things like that we need to just catch up on, track down, add in the works. So let's start. Actually, yeah, let's just start with running the server. And while we're at it, let's pull up GitHub. And let's see, switch to MovieOtter. Pretty sure we're already on master branch. Yep, cool. Let's make a new branch. You know what I kind of want to start doing is actually doing integration stuff. I think that'd be kind of cool. Yeah, so let's actually do that. Integration. Ooh, oh, I don't know if I could do dots. No, I can't. You could do v1.1. Post-launch improvements. Post-launch improvements. This is a very weird name. I don't know if this is going to be the naming scheme that I actually continue with, but I think for now it's fine. So we want to publish this branch. This is actually going to be the thing that we're merging into from our PRs and everything like that. And just now that we've launched, we need to be just a little bit more careful with how we're coding things and how we're adding things in. We don't want to break anything. So we need to just be a little bit more careful. Just a little bit. That's odd. I got 2 live notifications. Yeah. When I started it, for whatever reason, my camera. No, we're not gonna break it all. We just did it. We just got it working. Why would we break it? When I started, my camera wasn't working. Decided to just restart the computer. Ran into that issue before, and I think it happens when I put my computer to sleep for like a long time. I think some of the not firmware, but like some of the underlying utility software that runs for my camera maybe like quits after a while of being asleep. And then when I turn it back on, the camera just doesn't kind of get recognized, so I have to restart. Make it better, faster, stronger. We have the technology. But yeah, so new way of doing our branches, new way of writing our code. Hopefully it is cleaner. Right? Hopefully it doesn't completely break everything. That would be fantastic. But who knows? We will see. Let's see here. Okay. So you can make a new branch just off of this integration. This is going to be remove history entry. Somebody brought to my attention that, hey, one of my friends, he accidentally marked the movie Parasite, which I hear is a great movie and it's actually in my watch log, my watch later list. He marked that he watched Parasite twice by accident, which maybe there's some improvement there that we can make about, I don't know, loading and showing users that something's loading or it's been logged or whatever like that. Maybe we could all wrap that together in our little thinking about doing the little pop-up chips that come in the corner. But he accidentally logged it twice, and I had to go in and physically remove a double entry for him, which is not scalable at all. I can't be doing that for every user that makes a mistake, especially with our UI, which needs improvement for sure. I got scared for a second. No one was chatting and said you were my only viewer. Must have glitched. Yeah, no. Probably just because. Yeah, I had to restart. I'm a bad streamer. This is a bad stream day. I was behind again. I'm sorry. I failed you. But I think it's gonna be pretty good. I think it's gonna be pretty good overall. So in our history, this is gonna be very, very simple. what I think we'll end up doing is here, we can put these grids into edit mode with a button. And then when you X something out, we delete it. And honestly, what I think I actually might do is do a modal. I kind of, one thing I'm thinking about doing to simplify a lot of the stuff is actually making it destructive at the moment. So instead of going into an edit mode, you make a bunch of changes, you hit save, and then all those changes kind of be applied. What I'm thinking of doing is you would go into edit mode and you can edit data, but like if I go to remove this, a little modal pop-up will come, hey, are you sure you want to delete this? Yes, no, or you know, cancel, yes, cancel, confirm, blah blah blah. Some garbage, words are hard. But when you hit like confirm, it deletes it right then and there. There's no more, you know, no more needing to store the changes, the deltas of things, and then parse through what those deltas actually mean at the end of everything, you know, all that. I think that'd be a lot easier to do, a lot easier to handle, much more longer lasting, you know. Let's see. Time to say I've watched everything 69 times. I mean, hey, if you I'm not gonna do the math to make sure that what you log is humanly feasible. All right, that's well beyond the scope of me and this tool. Have you ever looked at a random item and thought of some detailed action right with your object and forgot half of it 5 seconds later? Then you get mad that you can't remember, or is it just me? No, that is called being a programmer, being a developer, and being a creative. In fact, sure, Cerebral can attest. I can only imagine the things that he's for. If I'm willing to bet, if there is anyone who has walked into a room with their keys in their hand looking for their keys, it was Cerebral. Cerebral's done that, had to have done that at least thousands of times. I don't care what he says. I am definitely sure that that's the case. Okay, but so far so good. We're in our new branch. We can start working on things. Let's do it. So first thing we have to do is go to our watch history page. Watch. Oh, did I just call it history? I just called it history. Cool. Yay me. All right. So, ooh, you know what? You know what I'm thinking? I think I need to actually start being also smarter about hoisting up things, right? Like this confirmation dialogue can probably be something in a top level, you know, like it can be called on from anywhere. Use confirmation, we'll make a hook for it. And then on confirmation, we supplied a callback that when is confirmed, you know, it calls back to us. I think that could be good. Then I only have to write one confirmation across the whole app, which would be great. So convenient. Let's do that. I want to do that. Okay. Let's see. Oh, dude, baked potato. No worries, dude. You only missed the stream where we went live. God, no, I'm kidding. But we did. We launched the MVP. Everything you see on MovieOtter.com right now is the official first version 1.0 of MovieOtter. And as today's stream title tells you, there's room for improvement. So that is what we're working on. But thank you for saying that. We did miss you. But don't feel bad for not making it. Days are confusing, words are hard, everything's a lie. Don't believe anything you say. Everything's okay though. Okay. Yeah, I'll make this a new file. I'm not gonna try to what? How did I even get here? I'm not gonna try to jam this into any other context or anything like that. We can just make a new one right here. New file, confirmation. It's gonna be great. In fact, we can take this file as a sample where we start with, and then just rename things from there. You know, and when my long chat meant to say action fighting instead of right. What? Oh, gotcha. Yeah. Okay. confirmation provider props. So we have, there's only gonna be one thing here, actually. I think. Can we hold a callback? In state, can we hold a callback? Yeah, because it's just a variable, right? I don't know. That's a great question, me. Thanks, me. Okay. Well, let's do the other stuff first, I guess. Let's see. Confirmation. Context. Okay. I'm a little concerned that it's not yelling at me about this stuff. Is user anywhere in here? User is just in that one place. All right. So there's gonna be on confirmation. No, that's not even gonna be a provider. This is gonna be confirmed. Which takes a callback. That is nothing. It's a void function. I think that's it. Yeah. No? Is that how you do the blank function? Yeah, there we go. Okay. So far, so good. Let's see. So let's see. How do we actually want to code this? How do we want to make this? How do we want to write this? So we are making a provider, which is fine. I don't. Actually, don't know if we. I guess, yeah, sure. All right, we'll make the provider here. Fine, whatever. Doesn't matter. Okay. Maybe this is. Maybe this is all we need. Maybe we don't need other props. Yeah, I don't think we need other props. We can actually probably simplify this a lot. Because we are going to make the confirmation, everything right here. Okay. Let's see. I've always wondered why teachers would complain about not getting paid enough but still go to Disneyland with their kids every break. They then tell the class that they just aren't supposed to share opinions on political or slightly controversial topics. Sure. Hopefully, are you okay, man? Are you doing okay? Are you holding up all right? I don't know what's going on. I don't know where that came from. Let's see. Callback turns a void. Why is this upset? Is that not what that is? It's confirm literally not this. It is verbatim that. Oh, maybe. Okay, that's why. That's fine. That's fine. Oh. Yeah, that's right. Oh no! What's up, Peak? Dude, how's it going? Thanks so much, dude, for shouting me out on Twitter, by the way. I really appreciate that. It means a lot having you guys there, helping me out throughout everything. All my breakage, all my terrible ideas. Okay. We need to import modal and paper and things like that. Actually, no, because in a earlier episode of Streaming with Isaiah, we actually made a modal. Crap, what was that in? It's all you, man. Just passing along. Thanks, dude. What file were we just working on? We were working on move poster. I think that's where we built it, right? Is there a modal? Is there a modal anywhere? A pop-up modal. Where is this? Where's pop-up modal? Come here. Where is it? Where is it? Is it not in this file? Did I actually already bring it out? No. Hold on. It's right here. You liar. Computer, you are lying to me. Okay. Let's clean this up a little bit. Let's go to source, our components. Let's make a new one. Pop-up modal. Oh, wait, but I don't want this to... You know what? Let's start with this, and we'll break it down and refactor as needed. Now that MVP is out, I feel so much more relaxed, right? I feel like I have all the time in the world to just make the improvements I need. I'm not being pushed by some arbitrary deadline that I set for myself, right? Very, very, very happy to now be able to just make improvements. Do things over time, not rush everything. Yeah, I don't know too much about code-related stuff, but I just say random stuff. I watched this one gaming streamer and I just spent 10 minutes writing some chat where I just let my mind flow and build on fact after fact, branching from the original. You're not even gonna get the worst of me. All right, well, baked potato. You know what I like to think? I like to think that maybe you are a sentient baked potato that just came to life, and you're just here. You're chatting with us, trying to learn what it means to be sentient and possibly human. That, in my mind, that's my headcanon for you. I like it. I like it a lot. Import React. So we're gonna need React. We're gonna need a little bit more than React too. Let's see. We're gonna need FC. Ooh, I think that's it. Oh, why does it look ugly? Okay, there we go. And then let's steal these styles. Bloop. Plop those right there. Use styles. Rename that. Let's go all the way up here and just steal everything that we import from Material Core, because I'm sure we're gonna need a lot of it here. And anything we don't, we can just get rid of. How are you guys feeling? Dude, I think honestly, Monday night, I've had like the best sleep I've had in a long time. It was so good, so refreshing, right? Not having to worry about things that I forgot or anything like that. I was just able to go to sleep. I slept like a baby. It was fantastic. And yeah, so how are you guys this week? How was everything you guys had going on? Is everything okay? Is it all fine? Hopefully it is. Okay, so we have set open. We're handling that. Ooh, paper. I don't know if I want this. Don't know if I want this. In fact, I might even be doing too much. Material UI, I know they do have a dialogue component? Maybe that's just what I need. Maybe I don't need to reinvent the wheel. Either way, I needed to bring this out into a different file. Yeah, maybe like, yeah, here we go. Here we go. This is what I need. Right here. Right here. Yeah, they just use dialogue. Dialogue title, dialogue content, dialogue actions. We're just gonna use dialogue for it. Well, either way, hey, either way, this is still good to do. It's definitely worth doing. It cleans up some of our files and things. We should be having a lot more red squigglies here. I don't know why we're not. Let's see, this we're not using. Import pop-up modal from pop-up modal. And that should make this file okay. And when this file is okay, that means we can delete a lot of things that we just don't need anymore. Cool, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? Let's just steal all the code they have right here because it's exactly what we want. How great is that? How great is that? Let's see. Yeah, my level 9 civilization has been studying emotion that can only be found on Earth. Well, I mean, are you not from the center of the Earth? I would have imagined that the baked potato legion is gonna be a literal uprising at some point. Obviously spawning in Idaho and then branching out from there. But hey, man, who am I to tell this ancient underground civilization how to work? Glad to hear. Got some job prospects, so feeling excited. Nice, dude. Where at? Dude, do you mind me asking where at? Do you mind sharing? Or is it kind of like, understandably, one of those things where it's like, I don't want to get into it. It's still too early, you know, stuff like that. Because again, totally understand that if that is the case. We're gonna need some state. I'll tell you that. Const open set open equals use state false. Let's see, we're gonna need to pull in some material UI stuff, namely like everything dialogue title, dialogue content, dialogue actions. That might content text. Jeez, okay. Dialogue content text. Is that it? And button. Okay, handle close should be the only things not in there. Had a dope VR. Excuse me. I had a dope VR session. Nice. Infection healing. Watched a dope video that gave me hope. Oh, well, hey, that's pretty good. That's pretty solid. I call that a win. I can give some vague details. Energy company over at PA doing Haskell. Ooh. Another one is fintech in India doing Haskell in PureScript. What is PureScript? I don't know much about Haskell either. Or is it Haskell? Am I like being real dumb in my pronunciation? Huh. Strongly typed functional programming language that compiles the JavaScript. Oh wait, maybe I have heard of this. I think I have heard of this. How do you like it? From the sounds of it, it seems like it's pretty straightforward. This does look. I don't know how I feel. Oh man, J Felly Web. Dude, it's a great name. Thanks so much for the follow. I don't know how much I like the whole importing up here, but then again, I'm working with React, so I have to import everything, so I can't really complain about that, I guess. But yeah. I miss Maine. I do miss Maine. Seeing Maine, that brings me back. Hey, it sounds cool. Looks interesting. Oh man, iPhone fan, what's up, dude? I'm back. You inspired me to work on an application. Nice, dude. I'm gonna build something in Django and Python. Heck yeah, dude. I haven't messed with. Why is it appending to that? Django REST framework. I haven't played with Django yet, but I hear it's actually pretty good. Like, I know at least a lot of people use it. Yeah, man, that's super cool. What do you know what you're gonna build? Do you have like ideas for the app or anything already? If you're studying humans for millennia, we need more ways to protect ourselves from earthly diseases on the surface. Oh my god. Oh man. All right. Well, hey, I'll take that. Ooh, baked potato. What is followage? I actually don't. I don't think I've ever seen that command before. What generally does it do for on streams? Happy to take a note of another command I need to add. Let's load up our little command ticket here. Keep it right there. Does it just kind of show some of the recent followings and things like that? Let's see. Follow. I don't know. Baked potato. Dropped it in chat, so it must mean something. There we go. Oh, no, the zeros shouldn't be there. Get that out of here. Boom. That's what I wanted to do. It shows how long to the minutes you've been following. Oh, dude, that's really cool. Is that something? Now, by the way, guys, hopefully this does not scare you away. I'm hoping to make stream a lot more friendly, maybe casual, as we build up. Oh, look at that! There is already one here. Confirm. Try it now. Drop that followage again. See what happens. Can I check this off? Can we do that right here, right on stream? Oh snap! Boom, done. Look at that. Oh no, iPhone, it doesn't like. Oh wait, wait? Well, hold on. I might have to change the advance. Global cooldown is 10 minutes. Why would global cooldown be 10 minutes? Why would the global cooldown be 10? And user cooldown should be like 10. Confirm. What? That hasn't been 10 minutes. Try it again, iPhone. Switch line, 2 months. I'm not that obsessed with this man. I just changed it. It was on a global cooldown for 10 minutes. There we go. Okay. I know something's weird. Oh, almost have to uncheck this box already. I don't want to know. Oh, dude, please, Cerebral, you have to. Cause you were like one of the first. This is basically just like a counter for how long I've been streaming. I'm so very curious. Oh man, he's gonna do it. I have faith. To be fair, you're literally my first follower. Holy crap, dude. Dang. Yeah. That goes back. That was back when I was like you know what? I'm gonna do one for you too. There we go. Yep, let me make sure I typed it right. Client chat permissions. Yep. We got a user cooldown of 1 minute. I'm only gonna let you do this once a minute. I just added a new secret command, Cerebral. I wonder if you could figure it out. We'll give you some homework. See if you can figure that out. You should set up a point system. People can gamble, do it for points by chance. You can then put something on the wall for the highest point. Ooh, that would be really. You know what I really want to get? Oh man, hold on. This is gonna. It might take me a second to find it, but, I'm sure I can. MKBHD, Marcus Brownlee. He had, at some point in one of his videos, he had this cool like marquee thing that he was talking about, and it was honestly probably a while ago, but I got nothing but time on my hands now, so I'm gonna go through his videos until I find it. It should not take super long. It should not take super long because it was somewhat new, relatively recent. Man, this is not gonna show up, is it? He does a lot of phone reviews. My God. He's just Mr. Phone. Like, why? What? What? Nope, not that. That's the Google Home. Okay. Okay. Let's try this. I think you can search. Yes. Oh, is that how you spell marquee? No, that's not right. But will it tell? Yeah, there. Oh, that doesn't sound right either, but maybe it is. Nope. Ooh, isn't that this man's thing? Yeah, pretty much. It is pretty much his main thing. Is it a real chat command? It is a chat command I made specifically for Cerebral. It is one of his quotes, one of his favorite quotes. He's already said it in chat. We'll see what happens. Maybe it was a speaker. I think it was more than a speaker though, but maybe that'll have it come up. Nope. Those are good ones. Those are good options. You've already said this in chat. I will give you that. God damn it. Get good. There it is. Here we go. It was a clock. Whoa. This. I want this. This would be cool. It's a little holy crap, that's expensive. $180. Oh boy, maybe I won't. Oh boy. Huh. Yeah, there you go. Made that just for you, buddy. I'm a little disappointed that it doesn't like properly, maybe it does properly at you and it just doesn't look right on my end, but oh no, we've already had Phone Beaver as a command. we've already added that one in there. Apparently they're not really that great. Really? Oh dude, don't tell me that. Why is this being sold with an Elgato light? That doesn't make any sense. Comes with the stream. Oh, I guess because then you can just set it up for buttons and things like that. Okay. All right. Oh man. Well, I guess I'm glad you told me, but it looks it would have been cool to have that, and then we could like put that on the wall and have like the most recent follower or something, like actually scroll by and everything like that. That'd be pretty cool. Well, if you guys know of anything that is in the vein of this, that's weird. I'm all for you know, loving your parents, but why would they go with mom? I guess it's short. Everyone calls their mom. I don't know. It's weird. All right, I'm leaving here. We're getting off of this. But cool. What? You could do that? Holy crap. I can force someone to show their followage. Let's see. Baked potato. Huh, that's so cool. Man, I gotta learn more about these commands, don't I? I gotta go in. Really gotta do that. Cool. I have already gotten sidetracked, but you know what? That's okay. That's okay. So we are doing good work here. Okay, this is gonna be pretty simple to set up. Set open false. And in fact, you can pretty much copy this function and paste it, I think, in like the 2 other places that are here. At least just for starters. At least just for starters. Okay. When we confirm, we are gonna just set open to true. Let's just try this for now, right? Yeah, let's just try this for now. Pretty confident this is gonna work. Our Gatsby browser. You have to add this provider. Yeah, here we go. Ooh, this should probably go above auth but below the theme. Don't expose me. Command treasure hunt for viewers possibility. Oh, that could be cool. Give hints and links to only the chat. Oh man, dude, that'd be really good. That would be really cool. I have no idea how that would fit into anything that I do, but I'm gonna make that. Chat command treasure hunt. I'm gonna do this again. Copy paste exactly what you put, because why work hard when we can work smart? Why say a lot word when few word do trick? I like that idea. That's a good idea. That's solid. That's real solid. Okay. Let's get our confirmation context in. Ooh, I don't know. Confirmation context provider. Perfect. Pop that there. Boom. Save. Everything's looking good. And in fact, I also need to do this in Gatsby's SSR. This is the only thing I don't like about Gatsby. I had wrote up a Reddit post. See films, dude. It was really good. It was really good. We missed you. We busting out the cigars. Yeah. Yep. You know me. I wrote about this in a Reddit post I did for MovieOtter after we launched. About just like, you know, if I was to make MovieOtter again, like what are some of the things that I would change? Like what are some things I would do differently? What are just some of the things I learned, right? One of them was I don't know if I would go with Gatsby again. I think if I was doing this all over again, I would actually just maybe go with a simple create React app. I don't think I'm really benefiting from anything that I get from Gatsby, at least not like enough to probably justify it. If anything, I'm actually probably hindering myself because there's like a lot of extra work I need to do for not really any benefit right now. Oh man, at 200 followers, I'm pretty close. I think I'm actually very, very close to 200. Holy crap! I went over it. I'm at 205. Well, we gotta make a new goal now. I can't do it now. The goal, we've already surpassed it. Holy crap, guys! I am over 200 followers on TikTok. Holy crap, that's crazy. Time Traveler 9791, dude, what's up? How's it going? How's the past? Or I guess the better question is, how is the future? You know what? Honestly, you give me hope. We made it to 9791 as the human race, so we didn't blow up the world before then, which is great. How's it going, dude? How's your week been? You're coming, you're joining us here post-launch. We launched our MVP. We are now going in, just making some improvements to things, cleaning up some of our UX, our UI, adding in some really nice to haves, adding in some really easy nice to haves, And yeah, it's pretty solid. Ooze, dude, what's up? How was the launch? It was great, dude. It was great. It went actually flawlessly, right? All right, I'm not gonna say flawlessly. There was one hiccup in there, but for the most part, it was smooth sailing, dude. Couldn't be happier. Could not be happier. Okay, do we want to try this? I think we want to try this. If we go to our history page and let's see, if we bring in our context, this is gonna be, well, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. It'll work. It'll work. Hear me out. From our confirmation file, we have use confirmation context. We are gonna something equals use confirmation context, and the thing we're gonna take out is confirm. Then I'm gonna make a really ugly button. I'm gonna make a default system button too. It's gonna be real bad. Confirm, and then on click confirm. Is it mad? Is it angry? Is it fake angry or is it real angry? I can never tell. Oh, okay, it doesn't like that. Confirm. Why doesn't it? Oh, okay. No. Eventually it'll let me do this. There we go. Okay, cool. So what that means, if we reload our history page, where's our ugly button? Our button's not here. Oh, it's because I broke the code. Dude, Yoda Droid, that's a cool name. Do you know one Jedi Master Yoda by any chance? Thank you so much for the follow, dude. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out. Hutchie, dude, what's up, dude? I say dude a lot. I'm sorry. I sound like a surfer. What's going on, man? How's it been? How's your day been? I will tell you, my last 48 hours have been fan-freaking-tastic. I'll tell you that. Okay, let's try this out. If we confirm, look at that. We'll change the text and all that other garbage, but then regardless of what we hit, we can come out here. We can click that. We can hit that. Oh yeah, dude, this looks so good. This looks so good. And it was so easy. We didn't have to do like anything. In fact, let's try this. On confirm, we're gonna console log but so butts is my go-to log, by the way. Okay, so if I close, oh wait, no, I also need to actually call that. Hold on. We on confirm, we set this to true. On, let's see. Const cancel, or maybe on cancel. We'll have a function that does a thing, and then we'll have const on confirm. We'll do another thing. On cancel is gonna be really easy. It's gonna be just set open to false, and maybe we'll take in a cancel, a confirm, or something like that later on. Who cares? But the more important thing is on confirm, we are gonna call confirm. Did I do something wrong? I did something wrong. Oh wait, this callback. Yeah, this is okay. This is gonna be interesting. We need to see if we can store a callback in state. I have no idea if it's possible. Confirmation callback. Let's call it. Let's get real verbose with it. Confirmation callback. What do I use for backend? Sorry, I gotta catch up with chat. Let's see. Ooh, you've been working on a second website project, dude? That's awesome. What do you call it? What is it called? What is it? 20 2016, some dude on Twitter posted, "Enjoy your time now. 2020 is much worse." Oh, I saw that. And then like, didn't he do like a follow-up one that's like, "Guys, I'm so sorry. I brought this on." So like I jinxed it. That was really good. I was wondering why there's no delete feature for the movies watched. Yeah. It was an oversight on my part. Gotta go in there. Gotta fix that now. Whenever I see Peppa Pig, it gets more embedded in my head that she looks like an armadillo with a short snout instead of a pig. Baked potato, dude. I think we need to send some help to Baked Potato. I love this man. I don't know what is going on, but you think about it right now. What language am I using? I'm using TypeScript. We're building our app with React, TypeScript React specifically. Firebase for the backend stuff. We are using Material UI for front-end designs. Nothing super crazy, nothing too drastic or anything, but so far so good. I'm so bad, dude. What's up? Ooh, Josu. Oh, I unfortunately I do not speak any language besides English, so I do not know what you said. Hopefully, that is okay. Good to be here. Thanks for the welcome. Jedi Master Soda was a droid in my folklore. Nice. Or Jedi Master Yoda, sorry, was a droid in my folklore. Yeah. What's up? I'm so bad. I think you were there Monday. Maybe you were there Monday when we launched our MVP. Specify to you. I mean, by giving your potato salads before cooking. That I can do. That I absolutely can do. Happy to serve. Oh yeah, we should probably say what this is. Okay. Set confirmation callback. On cancel, we're gonna set confirmation callback to null. And then here, we're gonna call confirmation callback and then close. Sounds good to me. I think this is pretty solid. Okay, so what happens now is if it's clear our console. Why am I in this tab? I never want to be in this dumb stupid tab. Give me the components tab at least. Okay, what should happen now is when I hit this confirm button, guys, when I hit this confirm button, we should see a console log. Nope, we're not gonna see anything because I didn't do that yet. Hold on. Okay, on cancel. On cancel and on confirm. Boom. Okay, now, fine, ladies and gents, when I hit this button, let me double check, make sure. We should see butts. We should see butts when I hit this button. Yeah, wait, no. Oh, wait, no, that's not right. That's not at all what, that's not right. Hold on. Why? We saw butts, which is exactly what I said, but that's not what I wanted. MovieOtter isn't MovieOtter without this movie. Oh God. The Velocipaster? Okay. You piqued my interest there, not gonna lie. The Velocipaster. Huh. Well, lucky for you, we have the movie. Unlucky for you, we have the movie. That movie is rough at best. But it's the man of the claw. my gosh. Dude, this came out in 2018. What? Oh boy, after losing his parents, a peace trap. Honestly, I'm okay with this becoming a regular thing that we do here on stream now. If you guys just drop random movies in, we will look them up on MovieOtter and see what's happening, see where we go from here. After losing his parents, a priest travels to China where he inherits a mysterious ability that allows him to turn into a dinosaur. At first horrified by this new power, a hooker convinces him to use it to fight crime, period, and ninjas. Guys, I don't know what I gotta do to get the rights to this movie, but I want this to be a movie that we watch here on stream together. I don't understand. I have never been more interested in a movie ever. Oh man. Oh man. Firebase is serverless, right? What do you use for that? Express? No, actually, it is serverless. Sorry. Yes, it is serverless. No, I do not use Express. You can use Express for things. You would use Express. So, to my understanding, you would use Express if you were to pipe your entire project through the cloud functions. So what you could do is, for example, do I have the console log up, the dev console? Here you go. So what I can do is, instead of hosting any files, or instead of building a website and then hosting HTML files and stuff like that up there, what I could do instead is just in the cloud functions, set an endpoint that always gets triggered whenever you hit /home for like whatever the index is for your domain. When you hit that, it would hit this. You would redirect it to this cloud function. Express would kick in, and then you could return whatever HTML you might have set up, whether you have like a maybe you have Next set up or something like that. You would set all that up there. I guess I don't know if you could use Next. You would probably not be able to use Next, but you could set up Express or any other kind of tiny HTTP server setup, right? When I hit the URL, that function triggers, Express runs, returns your value, returns whatever you want back. Done deal, right? Everything's fine. What I do instead is I do have cloud functions, but these are HTTP triggerable functions, as well as trigger listeners for things that change in the database, maybe, or authorization stuff. So when a new user signs up, we fire a trigger that sets them up with a lot of data stuff in the database. Like it creates a profile for them and everything like that. When you guys favorite a movie, right, that causes a trigger that increments a count and does other things. When you follow someone, similar things happen, all that kind of stuff. So there's kind of two different ways you can go about it. I am going the more straightforward Firebase, setup way. But you can totally throw Express into the mix and then handle a lot of the backend stuff on your own. Gotta go now. Bye, dude. See you later, Big Potato. Thanks for stopping by. It's always great having you, dude. It allows him to turn into a dude in a bad rubber dino suit. Oh, I would love nothing more than if this had full on like special effects and CGI. Ooh, what do we got here? Becky, this came out this year. All right, it came out like the week. What? A teenager's weekend at a lake house with her father takes a turn for the worse when a group of convicts wreak havoc on their lives. Kind of interested. And is it good, C-Films? Did you like it? Oh man. You're encouraging him to watch it. Yeah, exactly. Oh, Pete, there's no need to encourage me. It is already in my watch later list, all right? This dino movie, I don't even know what it is. The Velocipaster. This is 100%. In fact, I need to look up and see where is this streaming right now. Let's check out real good. The Velocipaster. Oh, well, they don't have it. All right. The Velocipaster. Why do I keep going ER? Oh man, it's free on Vudu and Tubi. What is Tubi? Never even heard of Tubi. Also, it's on YouTube. Also, we could just rent it on YouTube. Let's add this to my watch later list here. In fact, let's create a new playlist for this. Oh God. Movies to watch based on chat. Create. Yup, we're adding that to the list. But it's also free on that's not free. Oh, it's free with ads. All right, okay. Might have to try that, and I don't even know what this is. I don't know what Tubi is. Oh, Dragon Wasp, Mega Scorpions, Queen Crab. Are these all from the same universe? Please tell me that this is all from the same universe. Hold on. This is just becoming... Why did you send me down this rabbit hole? Okay, we're gonna watch this later. I'm gonna look into this later. I am very interested though. I'm very interested though. Can you show the code of a simple endpoint? The watch later, for example. Sure. Honestly, yeah, why not? Hey, we are post launch. All right. Let's see. Serverless watch laters. Cool. So yeah, boom, right here. Let me actually be full screen this view. Is this easier to see? Is this easier to read? It is literally all just right here. So basically, we are setting up a function. The way they talk about things, like the way you have to kind of drill into things, is a little weird. But within the functions module that they Firebase provides to you, you go into the Firestore kind of domain. You give a document location, so like a generic path to document. So this would be, you know, slash watch laters slash the user ID slash followers slash movies, whatever, slash movie ID, right? This function returns something along the lines of like, you know, watch laters, you know, some user ID, which I guess technically in this case it would be user ID. It would be exactly that. Movies slash movie ID. And then we say that anything that happens at, you know, once we have a document path to this kind of location, right? Anytime anything gets created here, we're gonna run this function, this async function. Let me check in, make sure I'm not assume you're still there. Okay. Within, when something happens, right? Like we created a document at this path. We get a snapshot of the data that was created, like the data that was put there, and we get a context of this action. And the context just includes things like, you know, the user that was logged in when this, you know, the user that caused this thing, like the user that saved this data, right? As well as some other stuff that I never actually ever used. But we say, okay, I want the data. Assuming that nothing was saved, which I don't think I actually need this line of code, but for safety. You know, we get the user from the params from this path. We're gonna get the user ID that this actually populates to, and we're gonna then fetch a different doc for that user, and we're gonna increment their movies count. I know it's a little hard to follow because I didn't really put any comments or anything, but it's also fairly short, so I didn't bother doing too much with it. But basically, when a document is created, we are grabbing effectively we're grabbing the parent document to it and incrementing a count, and that just happens every time you mark something as watch later. When you mark it as unwatched later, we're deleting that document. And we also have a trigger set up for when something at a path is deleted, We go through, find a user, find their parent document, and then we decrement the movies count. So pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward. I'm not gonna save any changes just because I don't want to muck up this. I know I got butts literally on screen, but I don't want to muck up the commit. Try to keep things a little bit cleaner. Cool. Another thing I realized I want to do. Paper props. I want to give this a class name. Or, yeah, I guess I'll do class name. I'm gonna need to make some styles here, because all the paper so far in my app has this cool, has that tan background color. So definitely want to go from there. No worries, dude. Again, this is now that the stress is over, this is a very casual stream. So ask away any questions. I will try to answer them as I can. We'll try to keep things lighthearted and fun. And also, I think we'll be able to have a cooldown today. I'm no longer under crunch, so we will be able to have a cooldown today. And honestly, if I'm being perfectly honest with you, chances are it's gonna be Rocket League. Make styles. Let's see. Let's return something. I know I'm gonna need palette. In fact, I think I'm only gonna need palette. And basically for our paper, I just want to set background color to palette dot wait, no, hold on, what do I do before in our pop-up modal? What do I do for paper? Palette background default. It's kind of weird that the background that they choose doesn't show up. All right. Let's see. Classes goes use styles. This is gonna yell at me for a few seconds until I get this stuff going. Class name gonna be classes dot paper. Could you please activate Duke? Oh man, dude, I'm so sorry. Is that? Ooh, I don't know how. Like on the stream, time traveler. Also, let's see. I got it. JTP, dude, what's up? How do you populate the movie data? Is it all in Firebase or do you hit a third-party API? We do both. When you first, for example, let's see. Give me the most random movie you could think of. Somebody, anybody. Something that would not you haven't looked up here before or anything like that. Crash. Yeah, I don't think I've searched Crash yet. Okay, that is not the Crash that I remember. I'm gonna go on this one, right? I don't think anyone. Hopefully, fingers crossed, nobody's ever clicked on Crash before in MovieOtter, right? Cool. So the results you see right here actually are coming from the movie database. What is it? The moviedb.org. Right? They expose the API for you to search movies. In fact, if we search Crash, we'll see that the results that you see here are exactly the same ones we see here because it's the same API, the same data. So what happens is from here, when we click on any of these movies, we try to fetch to the movie in our database that has whatever the movie database. I hate that it's called the movie database because it makes trying to explain things a little bit harder. I'm going to use TMDB anytime I mean this service, TMDB. Okay. And I'll use the database, meaning our MovieOtter database. So when I click on this result from TMDB, I try to find in our MovieOtter database a movie that has an ID correlating to the one from TMDB. If I don't see that, I fire off a function to then hit TMDB's API, get their movie data, store it in our own movie database, And then the page, because it's set up with WebSockets, it listens for any changes to our database, and it'll refresh once that's done. So what should happen is I'll click crash. It'll take, a few seconds. You'll see that loading animation. It'll take a few seconds to load, and then the movie information will pop in there. Okay. So right now, okay, that was a lot quicker than I thought it would be, but you could see, hey, we pulled it up. It was that loaded. We saw that loading animation for a little bit. That was our server, like our cloud functions, calling TMDB, fetching that movie data, parsing it, making it MovieOtter appropriate, like making it the shape that we care about and how we store data, and then storing it in our own movie databases. And so now that we've imported this movie into our own databases, if I hit refresh, it loads way quicker, because it doesn't need to then hit a third party to get that data, come back, parse it again. We can skip all of that whole setup, right? And even then, it was pretty quick to fetch the data to begin with, and so the exaggeration of it being faster now is not that exaggerated. But the first time you hit any movie, and now this is here for anybody goes to this link on MovieOtter, it should be super quick for them, because it's now just coming from our own database. Let's see. Yes, but there are some steps and stuff. Ooh. Okay, well, here, let's figure this out right here on chat. Live. How to live closed caption for broadcasters. Okay. Oh, so I don't think that is something here. It sounds like I would need some sort of third-party service that captions my audio, like as I live stream. I'm looking in my stream settings now, so. Stream general output. Automatically record when streaming. That's cool. Unfortunately, I don't know if there's. At least it doesn't seem like it's a quick toggle to get captions going. Because I too am somebody who loves captions. I generally try, like, all the stuff when I watch a movie or watch a TV or anything. I watch with captions just because I like the extra, the extra wordage. But it doesn't look like with OBS, with the Streamlabs OBS at least. Here, I wonder if maybe in our setting, I don't have another tab. Let's see. Let me dock this over here. I promise I'm not trying to hide anything. I'm wondering if maybe in like my stream settings in Twitch itself, there's a way to signal that I want like auto do closed captions. There's no way that they don't have that like technical ability, right? Let's see. Nope, not there. Flamed Eye. That's a good name. Thanks for the follow, dude. And Shadowrunner. Holy crap, I must have missed that earlier. I'm sorry. Thanks for the follow from both of you guys. Hopefully you are still around. Hopefully I did not scare you away. Stream manager, maybe? I definitely want, if there is a way for me to enable captions, I definitely want to do that. I want to make sure that everything I do is, again, the whole point of doing this is out in the open so all of you guys can see what it looks like, what it takes to try and build something. And if you guys can't consume the content, if it's not accessible, which, holy crap, by the way, I don't think MovieOtter is very accessible. I gotta fix that. I'm really sorry. for anyone who that might be affecting. Yeah, hold on. Let me try one more thing. If this doesn't work, if there's not a quick answer here, then I'll look off stream afterwards and see if we can set this up. Streamlabs, OBS, closed captions. Let's see. How to set up closed captions for your stream. Oh. Okay. So, seemingly good news. It seems like there is a way to do some sort of closed captioning, but it would take some changes to our stream, like my stream layout and everything. So I will not be able to do it right now, but I promise you, for realsies, I will look into this after stream, see if there's something I can do to make it a little bit more accessible for everyone who might need that, and go from there. So hopefully stick with me, bear with me for this stream, and hopefully we'll have something going. We'll have something in there for you next time. I'm learning the language, but can understand about 90%, and that will help a lot. Ah, gotcha. Yeah. No, I mean, dude, for whatever reason, please never. I don't want you or anyone to ever have to explain any reasoning that you might have for needing extra accessibility options. I don't think that's something anyone should ever have to explain themselves for, right? That is, everyone, for whatever reason, should have, I don't know, the same ability to understand and comprehend things. So, yeah, I will look into that after stream. Man, you guys really came in with some random movies, huh? hopefully that explanation of things was good. I think you did ask a question somewhere. Yeah, Pete, man, dude, you just, guys, just whenever you have a question, just go to Pete first. He'll explain it in like 1 minute instead of me going on this long tangent about things. It'll be much quicker when he just comes in and answers it right away. Let's see what this will look like with. Wait, wrong thing. Here, this is where I need to go. Yeah, okay, so we got our background color, which is great. It's fantastic. It's everything I need. There was another question somebody had. Hold on. Am I excited for the release of Artemis Fowl? You know what's funny? I've never actually read an Artemis Fowl book, but I kind of want to. I'm a big fan of YA novels, or at least all the YA novels that I've come across. I've always been big fans of them. I know people kind of give them crap and stuff, but dude, sometimes they're just a fun, good read. So yeah, I mean, maybe I'll watch the movie, and if I like it, maybe I'll read some of the books. Not too ashamed to say that. Ooh, there we go. You had a question. Any place that you recommend to set up a backend like yours, some tutorials or course? Yes. So one thing that I recommend, the way that I initially actually got all introduced to a lot of this was through this one guy. He has a great website. I definitely recommend you check out his YouTube channel first. It's all in the same name, fireship.io. I would check out his YouTube series, his YouTube channel. He has tons of series about just doing a bunch of just cool random things on the internet, right? I think he in particular, he uses Angular as his kind of like framework of choice, whereas I am more React. He also, I think, has some Vue videos as well, Vue.js, if that's your thing. But he basically specializes in Firebase. So if you are trying to learn about the Firebase functions or the Firestore database, or you know, anything like that. He's gonna have some videos to kind of lead you in the right direction. Another thing that you can do, which I can almost promise you that I sub to, is just the Firebase YouTube channel. They're pretty good. They also have videos that kind of go over things. In particular, this man right here, I don't remember his name, but they have a, let's see, get to know Firestore. Yeah, there's this get to know Firestore. Be quiet. There's this get to know Firestore playlist that they put out. Fireship.io. Yes, that is the website, and that is also his YouTube channel is also, I think, called the same thing, Fireship.io. Both that, but maybe even more importantly, is this last link I put, this YouTube playlist right here. This man walks you through what Firestore, assuming this playlist in particular walks through Firestore, which is Firebase's database solution, one of their database solutions. They have two. This is the I guess you could say primary one that they are recommending people use and things like that. But they still have the old one if there are some needs that the old one provides that this one doesn't do as well, and so they provide both options. But basically, if you are looking for a very, very lightweight, easy to get in and start doing things like a database solution, Firestore I think is very, very good. It's what I'm using for MovieOtter, right? And so hopefully that shows you could throw all types of different data at it. I might not personally be doing it the right way or the best way, the most optimized way, but it is possible. This playlist in particular has really helped me understand how to use Firebase and how to store data and how to make calls and things like that. And I am almost certain that they also have a playlist just talking about functions. Actually, I do know they have a playlist talking about functions. Cloud Firestore tutorial. Let's see, Firebase functions. This guy right here. I don't know if I don't think it's in a playlist, but I'll drop the link here as well. You guys can check it out. He has a little mini series about just like getting functions. Oh, actually it's right here. Well, ignore that last link and just look at this one. This is the playlist for his videos that walk you through the different types of functions, how to set them up for HTTP, how to set them up for triggers off of stuff that you're adding and deleting and updating in the database. Also pretty good. It's pretty solid. I recommend those two things to get you started. I recommend Firebase as a whole as something to get you started, especially if you are not very, very familiar with backend stuff like me. I think it's a pretty solid way to hit the ground running. And I've been on that tangent. Why does this not like error? It likes error any other time. Well, guess, okay. I want error. Maybe I need to give this a class. Let's try that. Let's try cancel button. Color cooler. Nope. Color is gonna be palette dot error dot main. Okay. Almost there. Class name is gonna be classes.cancel button. Okay. Annotated thing. Dude, no problem. Happy to help. Please. Anything I can do to help you guys, let me know. Yeah, there we go. That looks good. That looks real good. Okay, so from here, I'll be able to click outside of it. I can hit cancel, or I can hit confirm, and if I hit confirm, we get butts. Actually, oh yeah, this is the mistake. Anytime you open it, you get butts. That's not right. Hold on. Why is that happening? Okay, maybe we can't set a callback like that. How do we do this then? Oh, I wonder. Excuse me. So when we click, we're confirming and passing into confirm a function that logs butts. So our callback to confirm this callback is function that we are not calling anywhere. No, nowhere. Nowhere is that getting called. Why is it being called? What if we got rid of this? What happens when we open? Oh, wait, you know why? I know why. Yeah, I know why. It's because set state, the setter for state, Ooze, Isaiah, very late here. Take care. Thanks for the tips and really enjoyed your stream. Catch you on the next one. Dude, thank you so much. Thanks for stopping by. For you and anyone else who doesn't know, I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, starting at 8 p.m. Pacific, going until roughly 10. It's 9:40 now. I'm almost done. I'm almost done with this. If we could finish this, we can transition into cooldown for a little bit. We'll play some Rocket League. We'll chill out. And then we'll end stream. How's that sound? Didn't you get DMCA'd when you played the Queen song last stream? Yeah, YouTube was not happy about any of the music that I played on stream on Monday. But that's okay. I just won't be monetizing those videos. And in fact, they are. I don't even think I published it yet, actually. Yeah, I uploaded it, I edited it, but I hadn't published it. It was still processing last I looked at it. But yeah, just the few views I get from these archive videos, they just won't make any pennies on the dollar, which is fine. I generally try to make sure I keep all my videos as clean as I can and stuff like that, so that if, again, I'm trying to do this in the open because I feel like this type of thing doesn't exist anywhere, at least not that I could easily find. So I want you and anyone else to be able to look and see how to build something, how to make something, at least as much as I can document it, and kind of go from there. No, Peak, no, you're not stealing my thunder. I'm catching up there. No, not at all. You are helping me, in fact. Thank you so much. Okay. So the reason why that was erroring out is because the set functions for React's use state, if you pass it in a function, it actually calls that function and stores the value that it returns. So I don't want use state. Do I want use ref? React state store callback. Dealing with callbacks and props. I want use callback. But it's use callback. This is more for. Huh. Wait, is this what I want? No. That's not what I want. Maybe I want ref, actually. You know what? I actually might want ref. Don't think I want use memo. Ref returns a mutable ref object whose .current property is initialized to the passing argument. Yes. I think this is what I want. Any mutable value around, similar to how you use interface. So, yes. Okay. I think this is what I want. This works because you've experienced a plane object, only different plane. Ah, okay, yes. Okay, I think maybe this is what we want then. So const callback ref equals use ref. And it will start off with null. Let's see, use ref. So what I want to do here, on confirm, I want to say callback ref dot current equals callback. Right? Oh, it probably needs to know the type, doesn't it? Yep, okay, perfect. So far, so good. And then here, I want to say current equals null. And here, I want to try to call current. Felly Web, dude, what's up? Thanks for the stream. I'll definitely catch you next stream. Dude, thanks so much. Sounds like you're heading out. Hopefully you had a good time. Thanks for stopping by. Like I said, hopefully I'll see you Friday, dude. Okay, I think this is right now. I think using a ref was the way to go. Let's refresh the page just to make sure we get clean data everywhere. Okay, so now if I hit this button, we should see nothing. If I hit cancel, we see nothing. If I hit this button, and then we cancel this way, also nothing. And, yep, okay. And for the piece de resistance, if I hit yes, we see butts. We did it. That is the way we do it. Nice. Heck yeah. Okay. Now, the only thing I think we need to do, I think we need 2 more states. One for title. Whoa. One for title. Set title. And maybe actually, I don't know, blank. Nothing here, right? Empty string. And then body. And we'll have set body also equal to empty string. When you confirm, what would be cool is if we have some options. I won't do full options. I'll just do things you can optionally pass in. 2 optional strings that we say it's callback for sure. We'll start with that, and then set title to title or confirm, and then set body to body or why doesn't it like this? Oh, wait. Equals, wait. String equals, no? It's kind of weird. That's weird. So callback. So confirm. Takes an optional string and optional body. All right, I don't know why it did it that way. That's weird. But okay. A body. Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay, so now passing in nothing. When we click this, what? Oh, I have to actually use that down here, don't I? That would help. Let's see. This is gonna be body, and then this is gonna be title. Do you guys think it'll work? Do you think it will work? Confirm. Are you sure? Cancel or yes? It's good enough for me. Maybe I'll eventually make it not as small That's actually very, very tiny. But I think for the sake of today, that is gonna be enough for us. We've earned some Rocket League time. So thank you everyone so much for joining me. The stream is not over yet. We are simply just changing over into our cooldown. For those who don't know, every stream, I try to end it with doing something mindless and not just sitting here programming all day, every day, all the time. I want to give my brain a little bit of time to relax. I don't want it crunching away at all the mistakes and inevitable bugs that I just added to my nice, freshly baked MovieOtter app. And so we're going to end the stream with a little bit of Rocket League to kind of give our brains a little bit of a rest. If you only came for development, though, feel free to leave. I won't be offended. Hopefully you will stick around, though, because it tends to be a bunch of fun watching me and generally my friend Pat totally just mess up in Rocket League. As he just did, he did just drop a thing in chat. Well, hi. Hi. He did just drop a command in chat opening up our Discord. You can feel free to click that, join our Discord, have some fun with us, and yeah, let's play some Rocket League for a bit. How's that sound? JTP, what? No, what? No IGN Station 6. Did that show up in one of the previous ones? Monday 10 p.m. Wednesday 10 p.m. Friday. Oh, okay, yes. You are in Central Time? I imagine you're Central Time traveler. When you traveled back in time from 97, 91, you landed somewhere in Middle America, I imagine, or maybe like, I don't know, South America, something. But yes, someone took the consoles we had at the station. Oh God, I hope not. Although, to be fair, no one would know because the office is in lockdown. Brendan said, "Where was the PS4 Pro that you had at the station?" I texted you. That's why I made a face. Oh, really? Well, wasn't us. We didn't take it. I don't know. It went missing. Who knows what happens? Why did Brendan want to know where that PlayStation went? Was he gonna steal it? Okay. Cerebral, are you down for some Rocket League? Ah, for guides. Gotcha. Wait a second. That is, you are Jared. You have to be Jared. Who? You have to be Jared. I don't believe you're not anyone but Jared. Only Jared would know about the secret IGN Station 6 PS4 and its diamond ranking. I'm convinced you cannot fool me anymore, Jared. You sneaky sly fox, you have to be who you are. And no one else. I don't believe it. But okay. Let's get this going. Chore. It's actually, I guess, more of a whip. Outlined global confirmation box. Yeah, that sounds like a good commit there. I could do that. No, don't you dare try to offload that to him, JTP. I know you. I have your number, all right? I will call you. Actually, I don't have your phone number. Dude. Assuming you are Jared and you're actually not somebody pulling my leg, you slack me your phone number. We should talk sometime. We haven't chatted in a bit. I missed our random conversations we would have at work. But that work is done. We've pushed that up. Let's jump into some Rocket League.